Congressman's Town Hall. It's our top story at 11.
One of the first questions asked of Congressman Tim Ryan at this evening's town hall meeting at Youngstown State came from Dr. Evelyn Abramson, part of a group of mental health professionals called Duty to Warn.
Questioned Donald Trump's suitability psychologically to make good choices.
I have an opinion.
After the laughter, the congressman talked about the president.
He's incapable of focusing and putting forth a strategy and agenda that I think that actually weakens us as a country.
One woman asked why children are being taken from their families as they cross the border from Mexico.
Why would something like that be allowed?
Congressman Ryan says he wants safe and secure borders.
That does not mean you can't have a comprehensive immigration policy that is humane.
YSU student Carlos Larson, whose father teaches in Howland, wanted to know about Education Secretary Betsy DeVos's pro-charter school policies.
So I guess this is a really important issue to me.
We need to continue to support strongly public education in the United States of America.
On the situation at GM Lordstown, which soon will be down to one shift, the congressman talked about a public-private partnership called WorkShare.
You stay at work, you collect unemployment at some level, and the company also pays, but you get retrained.
Congressman Ryan also talked about health care, calling it a right, that it should be affordable and accessible to everyone. He mentioned China, that its goal in 10 years is to be #1 in 10 high-tech industries, and that America needs to become more educated to compete with the Chinese. Now, earlier in the day, Ryan's opponent, Republican Chris DePizzo, sent a letter to the congressman requesting 12 debates between July and the November election. DePizzo stated that Ryan has not debated since 2002, at which time he held 12 debates against his Republican opponent, Ann Warmer Benjamin. Ryan says he expects to be with DePizzo at numerous forums throughout the campaign, and though he did not commit to 12 debates, he did say there would be debates, as there always should be.